forward. Oh. What is network media? Network media refers to channels which are used to transfer information from different components of a network. So like component cable, well, not so like Ethernet cables and coaxial cables and cables, lots of cables. You could use some cables use copper wire in the cables. There are twisted pair cables and coaxial cables. Uh, Coaxial cables conducts an electric signal using an interconductor surrounded by an insulating layer. And then twisted pair cabling uses two conductors twisted together to cancel out interference, and they can be shielded or unshielded.
So there's actually another type that does not involve cables. It's called wireless. And pretty much when it comes to wireless, it's just a way of connection, but it's not with any physical cable. And usually it's more cheaper, it's inexpensive because, well, you don't have to make an infrastructure. It's just like maybe you want to connect yourself to maybe another country in another world. You don't have to make a physical wire going underwater. You can just make a connection wireless. Thus, it's cheaper. However, although it's cheaper, it tends to be weaker in connection for it supports a little less data than maybe a cable. However, we are developing better ways to actually fix this by virtual fiber, which is not floating fiber in the air. It's just a really good wireless connection. And also weather can also weaken the connection as well because it's wireless. It goes through the air.
A fiber optics cable could guides light waves along the cable, and the fiber optics cable is like the copper cable, but it's like better because it's faster and has like more benefits, like it's waterproof. But there's also like downgrades from it because it's more fragile and it's difficult to connect. But the fiber cable, it could carry more data.
That's it.